Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel CS Braves, and in this particular video I would like to talk to you guys about Sublime Text. Yes, the most powerful IDE that I have ever came across. I may contradict those who use VS Code for development purposes. Talking about Sublime Text, I'll show you in this video that how you can set up Sublime Text in your PC and make the most out of it. Just go into your favorite browser and search for Sublime Text. Sublime Text 3. Now click on the first link, Sublime Text, download Sublime Text. So this must be the window that should be popping up. So Sublime Text is available for these particular operating systems. Now click on whatever operating system you have, and I won't install it for now because I already have it. I'll directly open it for you guys. Here. So Sublime Text looks like this. Sublime Text is an integrated development environment, or in short IDE, which is used to develop apps, games, and for learning purpose also. If you're a complete starter, I'd recommend you to use a normal notepad because it will help you grasp basics and syntaxes, as these IDEs are having some autocomplete syntaxes in them, and that will make you lazy. So Sublime Text, I prefer Sublime Text because it is best in class, because it offers you support for C++, C, Ruby, Python. Wait, let me show you how. So under tools, go on build system. So these all are the Python, or you can say Python, D, Dub, Erlang, Haskell, Java, C, JavaScript, and these all are the powerful languages that Sublime Text supports. Yes, it is not singly oriented on a particular thing, but it is used for web development purposes and other purposes too, like Python. You can do almost anything with Sublime Text, and it is lightweight, like it is around 50 MB, no more than that when used at its most capability. It is portable, it is powerful as others, not as others, more than others. Yes, so this is how you set up and install Sublime Text. Now go under preferences. Here it is written the color scheme. So these are some pre-installed color schemes that comes with Sublime Text, and you can also download others. But first, let me show you some themes. So this is the default theme that I'm using right now, and this is the adaptive theme that adapts itself according to the background. So let's shift to adaptive scheme. Now hit Ctrl Shift and P on your keyboard to get into the command platelet and write install. So here, install package control, hit enter, and we'll wait until it is done. So I think it's okay. Package control was installed successfully. To use command platelet, type install package and get started. Okay, Control Shift P and then install package, and install package. Okay, loading. It is loading repositories. Now here you can write. There are a lot of color schemes and its complete whole library that you can use to modify the look and feel of this app on your own. So if I say here theme only, it will show me these n number of themes. So let me code something for you and show you the color schemes. We'll save this, just hit Ctrl Shift and S and just desktop for now, index.html, and hit enter. So the file is already been created. Now open a HTML tag, hit enter. So this is the color scheme that I have chosen. So title goes here, and body, on the body section I'd like to have a main section, and in the main section I'll be having a header section. Under header section I'll be having a division section, and under division section let's do the title section. That is, let's give this document a title, h1. Just like other languages, we'll go with hello world first, hello world, and hold shift S to save, control S to save, and we'll right click on this and open it up. To all my friends who are using Sublime Text or any other IDE, especially Sublime Text for web development purposes, I want to let you know guys that Sublime Text is having a very powerful thing. So whenever you, let's open it up here in half window, another half I'll open this. So if I hit enter and make a p tag here and write something or lorem ipsum dollar set here, and we won't, and hit save, control S, you will see that it is not showing anything here because I haven't refreshed it yet. If I refresh it, it will show the text. So what if that I want to code a large website and I don't have time to refresh it again and again? So what I do is hit Ctrl Shift P again, go to the command platelet. Okay, it is printing because I was not in the, so let's go in command platelet and write browser sync. Here is it. So once it is installed, I'll show you what it does. What browser sync does is typically as same as a live server, just like you use in VSCode or any other browser or any other IDE if you are having any. So this is a very useful tool for those who are going in the web development field. Live server helps you, enables you to check the changes on a live basis on a live server that is hosted on your own time or on your local machine. So browser sync is work completely the same, but the thing is it is with Sublime, and Sublime Text use browser sync, VS Code use live server, and Sublime Text is really lightweight. At some point of time, after some point of time, VS Code will be like 1 or 2 GB on your PC, and doing all the same work, the Sublime Text will be 2 to 300 MB, no more than that. So once it is done downloading the package, I'll show you that how browser sync exactly works. So browser sync works on the port number 3000. So whenever the browser sync works, okay, so the browser sync has completed the installation, and you can see up here our tile for browser sync itself. So if I hit start file and choose this one, as this is the only file right now I'm having on my IDE, and launch it, it will show pops on this and will open a Google Chrome browser if I allow access. Okay, so here it is. Just allow access to it and close this one, and you can see here local on localhost 3000 index.html is running. So here's the catch. Sublime Text use Google Chrome as its default browser. If your PC don't have Google Chrome, it might show some error. Just you don't have to worry about that. Just write localhost 3000 to any browser and search it. That will open the same index.html file or whatever the file you are associated or you launched with this browser sync, and that will be open and your browser will be synced, be it Microsoft Edge, be it Go Firefox or UC browser. It will happen. We won't talk about UC browser in India anymore. So let me show you or demonstrate you that how it is it working or not. We'll make one h1 tag again and write hello world. The moment I'll save it, it will be refreshed it automatically here. Here it is. I haven't refreshed it. So that is the work that browser sync do. So don't worry, just get the Sublime Text downloaded on your PCs and get started with some normal code and hold Control Shift and P for command platelet. First download the package control or install package control. Once you have downloaded it, just write install, hit the first package control install package here. It will show you some menu in any moment. Okay, it is loading repository, you can see here. So once it is done, it will show you a menu like this. You can search n number of things in there. If you're a Python user, you can set a syntax for Python also. If you're a C++ user or C++ coder, you can set a syntax for C++ also. So this is all about Sublime Text and what Sublime Text can do. Sublime Text is having everything for everyone. Like, share and subscribe if the video was informative. Thank you so much. See you next time.